Welcome to Brain Vision.
The expression for the kinetic energy of the sphere is half mv square. Here m is the mass, v is the velocity of the sphere. The expression of potential energy is mgh. M is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height. So let us calculate the maximum kinetic energy of the skier at the bottom of the ramp as kinetic energy at the bottom of the ramp is half mv square. We have half m is 85 kgs and v is 30 meter per second. So kinetic energy will be 38250 joule. Therefore, the maximum kinetic energy of the skier can cannot be greater than 38,250 joule. That can be taken as 3.83 kilojoule. Now the friction and air resistance of the resistance perform 400 joule of work on the skier during his run. Thus the total kinetic energy friction and air resistance perform 4,000 joule of work on the skier during his run. Thus, the total work, total energy of the skier at the top of the ramp must be more than um, kinetic energy max is equal to half mv1 square. So half m is 85 kg and v is 2 meter per second square, that is 170 joule. Now let's calculate the potential energy of the skier at the top of the at the top of the ramp. That is potential energy is kinetic energy, maximum kinetic energy minus, so that will be 42,250 minus 170 joules, that is 42,080 joule. Here the potential energy, that is mgh, is 4,000 42,080 joule. Now let us calculate the maximum height as h equal to 42,080 upon mg, that is 42,080 joule upon mass is 85 kgs. G is 9.8 meter per second square. So height will be 50.51 meter. Therefore the maximum height is 50.51 meter.